Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can uninstall apps updates on Android apps in mobile. So in here, if you want to revert back to the original or the previous versions of an apps because you don't want any new updates on the app, this is what you are going to do. So for example, in here I'm going to uninstall updates on the YouTube apps. You can just find the YouTube app in here and then long press on it and go to the app info. And in here under the app info, you can just click on those three dots icon at the top of the apps, and there will be this uninstall updates. So you can just tap on uninstall updates, and here you can just click on OK. So the apps will replace with the factory version, but you must know that this uninstall update doesn't apply to all apps. So there are apps that you can uninstall the updates. For example, Instagram. When you go to the app info, there will be no options to uninstall the updates. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.